2024 RockShox SID 35mm DebonAir seal kit. Spring, seal head, quad seal, these don't have scraper seals, they just have a bushing backup. Always use a flat tip. Never use a pick for that. Remove the backup ring. Inspect it. Clean it. No wear on it. Make sure the ports are lined up inside here. So you got a good transfer into the piston rod. So that's the bumper, that's the backup ring. Open up the seal kit. So quad ring, that one matches up with that one. Put a little lube on it. No one didn't fit, there must be a top cap. So that's the seal head seal. And these are the same size. And I like to get it started on one side and then roll it in with just your fingers. A little extra lube. Lube on the piston shaft. Get rid of the extra grease that you put inside there. Lube that up with slick oleum. I forgot something. The bumper. Installing a quad seal, you don't want to spin it or turn it. So it's nice and flat all the way around. Install the backup ring. Clean the inside. It's already been cleaned. Just make sure it's nice and clean, nothing in there. Smear some grease in there. Don't put grease on the transfer port. And when you stick it in there, don't just ram it in there. Roll it in there, let it walk itself on there. It'll just slide right in. Again, don't just ram it. Slowly walk it in. I like to also find the split in the Teflon and start on the opposite side of that. And if you just walk it on, it'll go right in. Pop it in. Snap rings always have two sides. So when you feel them, you can feel an edge. This is side is beveled. This is the side that is nice and crisp and hard and squared off. And so the pressure is being applied in that direction, downward. Air is up here, air is on the negative chamber, being applied downward. So you're going to want that squared edge. And put it on there. And now we push on it too. Make sure it's nice and locked in. Top cap. I like to also clean these. You seal. Just put it on. Don't roll it and allow the O-ring to roll. Put a nice layer of grease onto it. Always start it by hand. Little trick. So if you can't get it started, any bolt, you spin it backwards until you hear that click. And then you thread it down. That little click is the threads locking in place. WSS STBP 1509. And just good and tight. Straighter valve. Straighter valve tool. Until it's nice and firm. Thread the air pump on. This is the high pressure RockShox version. So it goes up to 600 PSI. Also got a digital one. Goes up to 300 PSI. Pump it up to about 50 PSI. And that's it.